What's up guys, we've got some nice and easy smash burgers. So this is all you're gonna need. Let's get straight into it. So first we're gonna add a bit of paprika to our minced beef. Some salt. Black pepper. And get that mixed in. So we're going to make these into 4, so we want to try and evenly split these into 4 balls. So we've got a burger press, so we're going to use that, but you can just use your hands or use a flat plate, anything like that. Just press that down and just repeat that throughout. There we go. Now they're all done, we're going to get the pan out and start getting them cooked. So I put a little bit of oil in the pan. Just going to turn this on, medium to high heat. So you could, if you didn't want these for now, you could leave these in the freezer, use them at a later date. You could put them on the barbecue, but we're just going to use the griddle today. I'll try and cook 2 at a time, just so we're not overcrowding the pan. And you just want to leave them to do their things, get a nice bit of colour on them. So it's just a waiting game. So I'm just going to check underneath. And there you go. That's what you're looking for. So that's what you're looking for. We'll set these ones aside. And then move on to the next ones. Now you can see they're done. We're just going to brown off these buns. So as you can see, I put a little bit of butter on. I just think it's a tastier way than just toasting them. Gives it a bit more flavour. So we'll leave them for a little minute and then check to see if they're brown. Now everything's cooked, everything's toasted, we're going to assemble these. So a slice of cheese. Smoked chorizo. And then we're just going to put these in the grill. We'll probably go for about 10 minutes. So now they're in the oven, let's quickly dress up these buns. So we've got the chipotle going into the mayo. Nice and easy. Give that a good mix. Piece of little gem on each one. And the burger should be ready, so let's get them out. And that's exactly what you're looking for. Nice and melted, nice little bit of colour on the chorizo. And there you have it, smash burgers with a little bit of a different topping. Enjoy.